राजीव पॉल। और मैं बहुत बहुत माफ़ी चाहता हूँ आप सबसे, थोड़ा लेट शुरू हुआ। आप समझ सकते हैं जब 7 औरतें होती हैं तो अगर एक औरत को 1 घंटा लगता है तो 60 घंटे लग ही सकते हैं। Am I right? Okay, I see such lovely beautiful women here and all you lovely men. Okay, आप सब जानते हैं आज का शो बहुत बहुत खास है क्योंकि ये बेटी के लिए है। आप जानते हैं हिंदुस्तान में कहा जाता है कि एक इंसान के 100 भाग्य होते हैं, जब उनमें से एक चलता है तब उनके घर में एक लड़के का जन्म होता है, और जब 100 के 100 भाग्य चलते हैं तब एक लड़की का जन्म होता है। इसीलिए कहा जाता है जिसके घर में लड़की हुई है उसका 100 भाग्य। तो आज का जो शो है बेटी के लिए है, लड़की के लिए है, रॉन्ग टच के लिए है, तमन्ना के लिए है, and it is brought to you together by Beti. So can we have a huge round of applause for all the women here? And we start the show with this young, dainty, beautiful lady, Akansha Nimonkar, जिन्होंने एक बहुत ही खूबसूरत फिल्म बनाई है जिसका नाम है तमन्ना। ऐसे डॉक्यूमेंट्री फिल्म जिसने बहुत सारे अवार्ड जीते हैं। सिडनी फिल्म फेस्टिवल में अवार्ड जीता है, बैंगलोर फिल्म फेस्टिवल में अवार्ड जीता है, अवेयरनेस फिल्म के लिए अवार्ड जीता है और बेस्ट एक्ट्रेस के लिए अवार्ड जीता है। इट्स अ स्मॉल डॉक्यूमेंट्री फिल्म एंड आई लाइक टू कॉल ऑन स्टेज आकांक्षा निमोनकर एंड वीड आल्सो लाइक टू हैव द एवी प्लीज फॉर तमन्ना। वेलकम आकांक्षा। ये जितनी डेंटी लग रही है उतना ही जोरदार काम इन्होंने किया है। इन्होंने फिल्म बनाई है तमन्ना, तो आपको देख के बहुत सारी तमन्नाएं जागृत होती हैं, लेकिन हम उसके बारे में बाद में बात करेंगे। पहले आप बताइए इस फिल्म के बारे में हमें कुछ बताएंगी तमन्ना।
गुड इवनिंग एवरीवन। इस फिल्म के बारे में कुछ भी कहने से पहले मैं चाहूँगी कि हम ये एवी देखें, उसके बाद इसके बारे में बात करेंगे। थैंक यू। मैं तमन्ना, मेरी तरह न जाने कितने मासूम हैं जिनका बचपन उनसे छीन लिया गया, लेकिन तकलीफ और दर्द के बावजूद भी मैंने भगवान की दी हुई जिंदगी को संभाल के रखा, क्योंकि मुझे पूरा विश्वास था कि ऊपर वाला सब कुछ देख रहा है। जिसने मेरी रूह को तकलीफ दी है उसे सजा मैं नहीं, ऊपर वाला देगा, क्योंकि दूर से मैंने उन्हें ही अपना पिता माना है। उन्होंने मुझे प्यार इसी बात दी जिसे देखकर सब कुछ भूल जाती हूँ। दिन रात उस ऊपर वाले का शुक्रिया अदा करती हूँ कि उसने मुझे अपनी इस प्यारी सी बनाई हुई दुनिया में भेजा और हर कदम पर मेरे साथ दिया।
It was indeed a very, very moving film. Can we also see the promo of Tamanna too?
It's called मैं तमन्ना Born Again. So can we have the AV please?
Short promo of upcoming film Tamanna Boy.
सितारों के आगे जहाँ और भी है, अभी इश्क के इम्तिहान और भी है। तू शाहीन है, परवाज़ है नाम तेरा, तेरे सामने आसमान भी और भी है।
Very, very nice and moving indeed. So Akansha, would you like to tell us? Would you like to tell us a little bit about the film and how did you make this film? You could have made a commercial film or something more. You chose a very serious subject.
I don't know, whenever I see this movie, like I have made this, and जितनी भी बार मैं ये film देखती हूँ, मुझे I get very emotional, and yeah, I made this film because I started my production house. Of course, I could have made some entertaining film, but I really believe that realistic फिल्में अगर आप उन्हें दिल से बनाते हैं, तो उसकी बात ही कुछ और होती है. I always wanted to make something real, and this story is a true story of my very dear friend. I would not like to take her name out, but yeah, I felt very angry when I came to know about this fact that she faced all this in her life. So this is my bid for her, and that's it.
So thank you so much for sharing this. I'm sure the audience here is also moved. And before we take the show forward, there are a lot of people who made the show possible, and I'd like to thank them for this. And but before I do that, can I call the other eminent woman of the show, Miss Anu Ranjan, the hottest woman we have in Bombay. Mumbai. Anu Ranjan, Anubhavi, can we please have you on stage? Welcome.
Good evening, everybody. Thanks to all. It's so nice to see a full house. I want to tell you a little bit about Beti. We're all here for Beti. Beti started 9 years ago, 2006, February 4th. Ever since then, we've been doing various things for the girl child. Started off with female feticide, then we started helping rape victims, education, surgery for kids. Till about 2 years ago, I was called and asked to do something for acid victims, a girl called Sonali Bhagati, who last year on this similar platform was so well enough that she walked the ramp for us. Today, I have amongst us here 2 other young girls who we have given a little bit of what we had, and they've had a lot of other well-wishers to get the acid victims healed and hearty. They're here with Dr. Ashok Gupta, who's the head of Bombay Hospitals. I'd like to call them on stage for you to see where exactly all your money, gratitude and help is going. Doc, can I please have you on stage with the girls, please? the girls come up? Somebody, can you bring them up? Yeah.
These are the girls who are acid victims, and this is the first time that they're going to walk on stage. They're going to come in front of all of you. So can we have a huge round of applause welcoming these brave girls, and the foundation Beti help them to reach where they are.
Reshma and Lalita, please.
रेशमा ललिता, आपको आपकी ज़रूरत स्टेज पे है. हम सब आपसे इंस्पायर होना चाहते हैं, सीखना चाहते हैं.
What you all are going to see are two girls who had no flesh at all. Honest to God, it was a very, very sad sight. And today they are healthy to be able to come here in front of you with all the treatment that Doc has been doing, with the generosity and help of many of us here.
हिंदुस्तान के लॉज वीक होने की वजह से ये सब होता है. और आज ये दोनों लड़कियां हमारे बीच में हैं. जोरदार तालियां. तहे दिल से स्वागत है आपका.
To begin with, I want to thank Anu for being so kind. I made one phone call to her and she sent the check immediately. It is so touching to look at the society. There's one phone call and they are full with money and they are looking forward to help these victims. India has got the privilege of having the highest number of acid attack in the world. It is not a privilege which I will feel proud of it, but it's something which we must as a society look into how we can stop selling the acid. For last almost 40 years, I've been working on these odd cases and I can share with you, probably I'm not trying to say that a fashion designing or designing a cloth is less complicated, but designing a face of a lady or a man who has been totally destroyed is a much bigger challenge, and to bring a confidence in them that they can come in the society and walk on their own is something which is a gift of science. And I'm so thankful that this society is coming forward, and there are no dearth of philanthropists in this country. And like her, there are about 6 patients undergoing treatment at this stage. Bombay Hospital is one institute which has offered all these services free of charge. There are several NGOs, including Anuranjan, who has been looking after the consumables and other costs and supporting them morally and socially. And it's the biggest moral booster for these girls to come amongst you, stand on the stage and face the world like a normal girl. And I'm really obliged to Anu for giving this opportunity.
Thank you, Doc. I'd like to call a well-wisher of ours who's always supporting us, Mr. Avdesh Dixit. Please, can you come on stage?
Good evening, everyone. It is great privilege to part of this noble cause of. मैं श्रीमती अनुरंजन जी का बहुत आभारी हूँ कि उन्होंने हमें पूरे हमारी टीम को हमें इससे जोड़ा है इस प्रोग्राम से. मैं एक ही बात कहना चाहूँगा कि दुनिया में दर्द देने वाले लोग बहुत हैं, लेकिन दर्द बांटने वाले लोग बहुत कम हैं. और स्पेशल थैंक्स टू अनु जी की उनका ये जो लक्ष्य है, ये उद्देश्य है, ये जो अच्छी सोच है, ये पहल है, हमको उसका बहुत स्वागत करना चाहिए. और एक बड़ा अनुकरणीय कदम है, एक ऐसी पहल है जिसको हमको सबको सपोर्ट करना है. समाज में बहुत अच्छे लोग भी हैं, बहुत ख़राब लोग भी हैं, लेकिन बेटी कॉन्सेप्ट को जिस ढंग से अनु जी ने डेवलप किया और आगे लेके गई है, तो मैं केवल इतने कह सकता हूँ कि मैं और मेरी कंपनी आपके साथ खड़ी हुई है. जी, थैंक यू वेरी मच.
People I'd like to call on stage, because after that the show is going to be a seamless show, and I know you guys are waiting for those fantastic 55 sexy hot women who are going to be walking for you. I'd like to call on stage Kiran Baba, who is responsible for the beautiful hair and makeup for all the women who are going to be walking for us now. Kiran.
Well, this is a blessed moment to be a part of Beti and dressing up so many beautiful women who are backstage right now. Thank you, Anuranjan, to make IOS as a part of this for supporting you. Thank you so much. Thanks to everybody.
Great. And also, I'd like to now call Archana Kochar, who has dressed up all these women in a beautiful garments. Archana.
Good evening, everybody. It's a pleasure to be here with Anu and with Kiran and with the Be Tamanna team. I would like to tell you a few words about the collection that you all are going to be seeing today on all the lovely women who are going to walk today. This year, Mr. Narendra Modi, our Prime Minister, has come out with a Make in India campaign in which some designers have been handpicked by him to revive some of the dying arts of India. So I've been fortunate enough to be handpicked by him, and one of the dying arts of India that I am reviving is the art of making ghungroos, which nobody wants to wear anymore. It's from a village called Gopali. So the entire collection that you are seeing today has, I have innovatively used these embroideries, these ghungroos in embroideries. All the garments that we're going to see today are either going to be having ghungroos or mirrors or beaten gold. And I hope you all do enjoy seeing this show and seeing all the garments.
I'd also like to say thank you to Akansha for her Main Tamanna. I'd like to thank a lot of other young boys who've been working very hard. There is Kashish and Ijaz of Vice Versa Events. There is Rahul Chakyani, who's our ace photographer. We have Azad Morani and Parth, who've done the full stage sound and deco. So you see my entire team, average age is I think about 20-22. And now guys, please enjoy. And one more thing before I say, I think you guys read in the papers yesterday with my husband Shashi pointed to me that all acid victims have to be treated free of cost in private hospitals. And I think if we all know anybody, we should ensure that that is implemented. Oh shit. Okay, and please enjoy the show. Thank you so much.
Okay, I'm really thankful to you. Every woman out here who's going to walk the ramp wearing beautiful attires of Archana Kochar, who is one of the biggest support for me today, and Anu Aunty, of course. They are also going to wear a beautiful MK jewelry, and I'm also wearing it. So just enjoy the show. Thank you very much. I would like to call my baby Tamanna on stage, Shiny Shetty on stage.
Okay, we have the entire team of Tamanna. Quick, the audience is waiting. Jaldi, taaliyan bajaiye. और इनका स्वागत कीजिए. This is the wonderful girl who acted in the film, and that's the wonderful girl who acted in the film. Where are the cast members?
That's it.
Okay, so a huge round of applause for Tamanna's team. They are the ones who got this whole show together. And now, with your kind permission, we'll start with the flow of the show, the fashion show with 60 hottest, topmost women right here on stage. Within 1 minute, can we have the lights, the sound, and the music? And the first one to come on stage is Akansha Nimonkar herself, director, actor, Tamanna. Music, please. Mumbai ki hottest, most beautiful, gorgeous women from the corporate world, from television, films, politics, they're all going to be here. जरा तालियां बजाओ यार, 1 घंटा 2 घंटे 4 घंटे से तैयार हो रही थी. Akansha Nimonkar. कई तमन्नाएं जाग जाती हैं आपको देख के आकांक्षा, कई लोगों की. Oh, that's the spirit. ये चलती जा रही है, आग लगती जा रही है. And coming up next is Reena Gupta, art curator, volunteer, children movement. Beautiful, elegant, gorgeous, looking elegant in Archana Kochar, beautiful gown. the renowned casting impression of all the eminent men in the country. And this is the lady जिनके बिना शो नहीं होता, Hema Hariramani, director, national sales, Marriott Hotels. और आपने टेलीविजन शोज में देखा है, इनके शोज देखे हैं, राइट फ्रॉम बनेगी अपनी बात टू परवरिश दिया सिंह। कब से स्ट्रगल करना यार, काम दे दो, आज तो दे ही तो दिया, अब पता लगता है कैसा लगता है। That's Diya Singh from DJ's Creative Unit. And all the men watch HBO. Here's the lady who gets HBO to us, Monica Tata, Managing Director, HBO India.
Desi, Gordon, Ghana. I'm every grain of rice in your basmati, every spice in your garam masala. On the turmeric stains on your grandmother's hands. I'm inarinyatika naironika redika flames in a penny black. I'm the Malawi slipping through her fingers like displaced teacher. Capable, practically inescapable, no longer unaccountable. I am your accountant, I program your idea. I am the chai latte, iced to eat the chai while I stares at the warmth of these signs of the rise of the middle class, whispering their upwardly mobile mantra. Thank God Almighty, I'm free at last.
और इनके बाद आ रही है चारू आनंद, Ranjini NGO Madad, which helps senior citizens below the poverty lines, and she's the designer, interior decorator, and director of Millennium Juhu.
As I smoke BDs, chew on and watch Bollywood DVDs starring Akshay Kumar and Shah Rukh Khan. Remixing Ranya by whispering my mother.
और आप ये जो दो खूबसूरत बच्चियां हैं, आना and Arya, with Pooja Makhija, who is the consultant nutritionist. Beautiful Pooja Makhija. Coming up next is Swati Srivastava. इनके स्किन को देख के कह सकते हैं कि इनका स्किन बड़ा खूबसूरत है और ये डर्मेटोलॉजिस्ट के हैं।
I am Soha, I am Hamsa, the swan, Brahma, the lotus Bhagwan. Equally at peace with the paradox of West and East, war and peace, life and death. Profound, primitive and superstitious. Spread from Canada to Australia, Trinidad to Mauritius, I will always be the impoverished child that bangs on the window of your ambassador car. The old man who instead of clapping his hands simply said, Arewa. I am Saraswati, whose Veena was later remixed into the shape of the sitar. Just like the old money but the hum with the tabla drum became the dark, the two turntables and a mixer. I am the Riksaw, I am the white tiger. A survivor rising up in the drive to progress. I am the distressed heart of Delhi.
And she runs a spa at Lokanwala and she's walking the stage with her very own Pramila. She's visually challenged. Can we have a huge round of applause for Shreya Sharan? I think they should open more branches for this beautiful business of theirs. That's Shreya Sharan and Pramila. जोरदार तालियां बजाइए इनके लिए। कुछ लोग इंट्रोडक्शन के मोहताज नहीं होते, बस वो आते हैं और दिल की धड़कनें खुद ब खुद बढ़ जाती हैं। Coming up next is a very beautiful actress जिनको देख के कई